Tonight we are making a quick, you can call it a Fajita Alfredo. We are using the ramen chicken and roasted garlic stuffed raviolis and just some store-bought Bertolli Alfredo sauce, the beef fajita meat, and then some garlic bread. My family loves this meal. I make it weekly, if not multiple times a week, or at least twice a week. They love it. Different variations of it, but these noodles are our favorite. I picked all this stuff up at Walmart, so I'm gonna go get my water ready, and then we'll get to it. Go ahead and start my meat in the air fryer. Okay. Pre-cooked, pre-seasoned, all that good stuff. So I'm essentially just warming it back up in my Ninja Dual Zone air fryer. It is the absolute best. So now we're just waiting for the water to boil and the meat to cook, and then we'll get started with the rice. So now that we have the meat cooked in the air fryer, I'm going to, and our water is boiling, I'm going to open up our noodles and get those dumped in. Will you pull this cup? And next, we are going to, once these get done, we'll come back and drain them and get everything put together. So it's been 5 minutes now, we just need to drain the noodles. Oh, get the colander out. Let's drain these, please. Alright, so we just drained the noodles. Now I'm going to get meat out and add that to the noodles, and then, maybe if I don't spill it everywhere. And then just add my sauce to it and stir that all up. Now we're opening up the sauce. This is one of my handy dandy jar openers. I do have a couple little gadgets in the kitchen to help me out. You can find it on Amazon, I'm sure, but it does a pretty good job. But it works, and it opens just, I haven't found a jar size that can't open. There we go. Okay. Now we can add the salsa, or the sauce. I don't know why I said salsa. Here is the finished product. You can add whatever size you want to it. I guarantee your family will love it. Thanks.